Kuya, tinitingnan pa rin niya yung gummy bear niya.
Since do you remember the taste? It's so yummy. It's kasing chocolate. So yummy. Ito tayo.
Si Kuya hindi naman tumitingin ng biscuit, lakad lang ng lakad.
Eh, wala nga akong gusto dito.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine daw, Mika. Okay.
Really my favorite gummy ever. That's my favorite summer gummy ever.
Oh, so what's your decision? Final decision. Gummy or chocolate? Gummy or chocolate?
No, I want gummy pala.
Are you sure, Jaxie? This is so yummy. Baka mainggit ka pa. Are you sure? It's only a little bit. But this one, a lot.
Nakabili na sila ng gift sa'yo, Tim. Pero open mo lang daw yon sa birthday mo.
Big. This is like only 20.
I was thinking about that.
See? 20. Oh, big. Jaxie.
Okay.